we've been with each other since we were kids. A lot of us in this squad, we were 17 when we broke through, and we've been all the way, through this together. And I think you can see that on the pitch and off the pitch. We always, everyone likes meeting up. It's a good banter in this squad, and I think that's what you need when you go away. It's a long 10 days, and you don't want to be stuck in your room. But we always like to go out and have a little laugh and stuff like that. And as I said, a couple of people finished quite early, their seasons, and some finished a bit late. But it is good to meet up early and get the fitness back up and go from there. Obviously, we are professional and we always look after ourselves, and it's good to come here and get the fitness back going and get the legs going again. I'm sure we'll have a meeting today about them and how to break them down and what they're good at. But we've played them a couple of times now in the last few years, and they are a great team and a strong squad and got great individual players. But we dealt with them pretty well away from home. We didn't play as well as what we could on the ball, but our last game against Israel, that changed, and hopefully we can just perform like we did out there. We know it's going to be difficult, and we just need to see what happens. Hopefully we can set the standard and get the result and go from there. But we know it's not going to be as easy as that. It's going to be very difficult, and we're just in a nice position at the moment, but hopefully we can just kick on.